Welcome to our channel True Radiations, where content meets reality. If you are looking to choose engineering as a career, or if you are doing engineering or you are an engineer, then this video is specially made for you. As many of us only know the pros of doing engineering, let's see the cons of doing engineering. Let's begin this video with the pros of the engineering. An engineering degree is regarded as one of the best college degrees. Compared with other degrees, it is easy to get a job with this degree. It gives you a well paid salary, and the salary gets increases with the experience. Don't expect much in your beginning stages. The other benefit is it provides a stable job opportunity. There are wide job opportunities for every engineering graduate. If you like solving problems through technology, then you will be busily happy and you'll get paid for doing the work you love. You'll get to know real life science. You can easily guess the technology or mechanism behind anything. Before moving deep into this video, let me quickly introduce one of the best offers for you. If you are in 12th standard or below and if you are preparing for the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, then Unacademy had come up with a great offer for you. Grab the subscription today and get a flat 50% discount on each subscription. They have 5 different plans and this offer is applicable for all these 5 different plans. For getting subscription, just click the link which is available in the description box and you will get redirected to this page. Click on get subscription and boom, add your basic details and select a plan accordingly. There are several options to make payments for taking any subscription. It is not limited to that. You can get an additional 10% discount by using our code TrueRadiations. Before taking a subscription, watch their free live classes. The link for their free live classes is also available in the description box. Add our code TrueRadiations in accessing their free live classes. If you found the classes interesting, then select a plan accordingly. Trust me, you'll love the way they interact with the students. The best part is you'll get the freedom to create anything you like, and this is a place where more inventions takes place. More study opportunities as compared to other degrees after completion of bachelor's. If you are looking for deep research, then master's and the PhD is the path for you. The mathematical skills you learn from the engineering are helpful in knowing every basic part of the universe in detail. Applying them into real life things and bringing one of the best possible solution has a great satisfaction. It has a worldwide job opportunities and as technology is increasing day by day, the demand for engineers will also keep on increasing. Now let's see the cons of engineering, which is the most awaited part of this video. The first and the big one is it is one of the most difficult degrees in the world. In fact, it is topping the list of the most difficult courses in the world. Your aptitude and math skills are really important. If you have them enough, then you can easily manage the successful completion of this degree. It is one of the time taking degrees, which usually takes around 4 to 5 years to complete. The cost for college is relatively high in engineering as compared with other degrees. Few opportunities to jump into other courses or streams. College education is really outdated and only 5 to 10% of that knowledge is useful in the industries. The remaining stuff will be taught to you in the companies. The next one is lifelong learning. Some take this as a positive one, but many choose it as a con because you need to get updated in order to survive in the company or to get any promotions. As we know, it's a stressful and highly workloaded work. It has long work hours. It has a competitive atmosphere inside the industry for getting any promotions. If you are business minded, then you'll never love the working conditions and rules made by the company. At last, to be honest, in this journey, you will learn many life-saving skills and lessons which are really useful. Comment down any pros and the cons if you know, and we have any queries, then please do comment in the comment box. We'll definitely reply to each and every comment within 24 hours. If this video was useful for you, then please do like this video, and if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel, which encourages us in creating more videos like this, and press the bell icon to receive further updates.